Today I quickly want to talk to y'all about this Sterno camping stove. It's a butane-powered piezoelectronic ignition camping stove. Really, really cool. I had one of these in the past and I just got a brand new one because the other one finally went out after many years of use. But I really love this stove. Very, very portable, very, very easy to take on short trips, 2-3 day trips. Also good for, small outdoor events, catering, barbecues, and such. Takes a little butane canister right here. Simply put that in, hit the ignition, and you're pretty much good to go. The flame with the butane canister can last for a few hours. Very, very safe, very, very easy to use, and it is also extremely durable. I love that it comes with this carrying case too. Just makes it easier to store, especially if you have like a big box of camping gear like I do. Makes it easier to take along with you without damaging or scratching the material. So if you're looking for a small camping stove, I would recommend this one from Sterno.